The 2024 AFCON bronze medal changed everything for South African football. The trust is back and the energy in the stand is different. I am your host for Off-Field Mzansi, and today we're going to be looking South African player with a promising future. Hello, I would like to greet you, and before you start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if we post again, you'll get another video and I'll give you a better content. I am Off-Field Mzansi, and thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Starting with the South African defender Mbekezeli Mbokazi, who was born on 19 September 2025 in Hluzukwe in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, who debuted playing for Orlando Pirates against Mamelodi Sundowns, who's been making waves. After signing with the American side Chicago Fire, it's obvious that he has a promising future. His unique defending style, combined with physical strength and long-range shot ability, makes him a truly exceptional player. There is no doubt that he has a promising future. Moving on to our number 2 is Chandra Campbell. Chandra Campbell was born on 15 July 2005, Johannesburg, South Africa, who made his professional debut for SuperSport United on August 5th, 2023 against Richards Bay, where he was named Man of the Match and provided an assist. He is known for his blistering pace, technical brilliance, and little left foot. Primarily as a left winger, he is celebrated for his strategic play and composure in front of a goal. You're reaching this video, which means you enjoy our video, so I will humbly ask you to subscribe to the channel. It will mean a lot. Thank you. Moving on to Ozwin Apolis. Ozwin Apolis was born on 25 August 2001, Bishop Lavis, Cape Town. Ozwin Apolis made his professional debut back in 2019 for SuperSport United. Ozwin Apolis is a dynamic winger and attacking midfielder who has rapidly risen, becoming one of South African football's brightest stars. He is currently playing for Orlando Pirates and he's a regular fixture in the Bafana national squad. He definitely has a bright future. Moving on to Puso Tshitshane. Puso Tshitshane, born in 24 July 2004 in Christina, South Africa, who made his professional career debut on 17 February 2024 for TS Galaxy. Puso Tshitshane is a versatile and highly dynamic right winger. He is known for his explosive speed and technical dribbling and ability to charge game in one-on-one situations. He definitely has a promising career. Moving to Ime Ocon. Ime Ocon is a South African player born on 20 February 2004, Johannesburg, South Africa. Ime Ocon made his professional debut for SuperSport United on August 5th, 2023, making a rapid rise from amateur football. He is known for his commanding physical presence, composure on the ball, and rapid recovery speed. He definitely one of our South African players who has a promising future. Last player is Relebohile Mofokeng. Relebohile Mofokeng, born on 23 October 2004, Sharpeville, South Africa. Relebohile Mofokeng made his professional debut for Orlando Pirates on May 3rd, 2023 against Royal AM. Relebohile Mofokeng is a dynamic technical attacker primarily deployed as a left winger or attacking midfielder for Orlando Pirates, affectionately known as President Yamatsuke. He is widely considered one of South Africa's most elite young talent due to his rare game pedigree, having scored in finals of every major domestic cup. Hi guys, we have reached the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can get notified when we dropped our part 2 of South African players with a promising future. Thank you.